Virtual Fun Art. Web 3.
Hiya, my name is Jamie from Virtual Fun Art, and today we're going to be talking about airdrops and how to find the best airdrops, and most importantly, ones you can actually trust. So, for those that don't know, an airdrop is basically when an up and coming project in the crypto world promises a drop of their token, currency, real money, in exchange for all their efforts. So, effort could be users using the project and yeah, contributing to it in some way. But the problem is trying to find one you actually trust, because there has been scams where they do a sort of rug pull. People contribute money towards that project and then they just disappear. I'm also quite new to this as well, so even though I've been doing things in the Web3 world for a while, I've only just started getting involved in sort of looking for airdrop projects. And the website that actually got me into it is this one, Arkada. All the links will be below in the video description. But Arkada is an official app on the Soneium ecosystem, and they actually have many quests here, so you can naturally explore not just the Soneium ecosystem, but also other ones like Base and Abstract, for instance. So yeah, basically you would click on one of these challenges. I've already done this one, but there would actually be instructions here of what you have to do to complete that challenge, and it's a good way of exploring these things. That sort of gets me. This is how I sort of discovered, different airdrops via this. Also, there is some known networks like Base. Like if you're quite deep into the crypto world, you might have heard of Base. This is actually made by Coinbase, the central exchange. There's Astar network, so they're closely linked with Soneium. Yeah, Soneium is basically majority owned by Sony Corporation, so this is a good one. So when you hear about these sort of different companies, if you like, it might be very hard to understand how do you actually get into their airdrop program or their reward program. There's a few ways you might hear of it. You might hear about it on Twitter or in their Discord. All these projects will have a Discord where, like a social community where you can join and actually ask the moderators what's happening. Also, it's important to note that a lot of these projects won't actually tell you there is definitely going to be an airdrop, because I think by law they can't really say that. But when there's a system like this, for example, Soneium score, where it's where you're building up a score depending on how much you're contributing towards the ecosystem, it kind of hints that that you're going to get rewarded at some point if you if you end up having a very good score and completing all the different seasons. So yeah, it's a bit of a leap of faith, and also you can just ask people, they'll say, yeah, there is rumors that there will be an airdrop. And yeah, I've heard that some airdrops for big projects can be substantial amount of money, which is why I'm actually doing it. So I'm going to find out one day, hopefully. So yeah, if you're on any project, the first thing to check it, does it have a guild? So there's a website called guild.xyz. Actually, let's type it in here. Yeah, so when you type in guild, you can actually find out what other companies or projects are on the guild. And on when you eventually find the Soneium one, it's soneium.guild.xyz. Yeah, you can actually verify your contributions. So, for example, like here, I joined their Soneium Discord, so I've got a tick there to say I've done that. All this is actually building up a reputation, or a paper trail of everything that I've done. So there's all these roles. You can actually claim these roles as well, which appear on your Discord when you join the Soneium server. So it's saying my rank at the moment is top 12%, which I'd say that's quite good. So if they do an airdrop in the future, which I'm assuming is going to be this year at some point, maybe I'm going to get a good allocation of their token that they're going to drop. So there's some things I've missed though. So I've joined it, not really late, but I joined around season 5, so I can't claim these badges. But season 5 has just been and gone. I'm on season 6 at the moment, so that's my season 5 badge. So my goal is just to keep building up the season badges and claiming it. These actually get minted as NFTs, so it will stay in my MetaMask wallet, and that's like evidence that I've done that. And on here, it actually um, monitors your transactions on Soneium and money you hold on their network. These are NFTs within the ecosystem I've collected. Yeah, so that's just on the Soneium one, and you can do the same for base. You've got the base guild here, and yeah, you can just go through this trying to acquire different roles, because if they ever do the token drop, which seems incredibly likely, this is what they're going to go by. And this gets recorded on chain, so they know who are the major contributors. I mean, this is a bit more complicated base, because there are some development ones as well, like such as making smart contracts, stuff like that. And yeah, same goes for the Astar network. I think I am fairly early to the game on this one. Yeah, there's other ones as well, but my starting point was Arkada. Yeah, naturally exploring the Web3, yeah, using Arkada is led me to these sort of projects. Let's have a look at some others that was on there. Uh, yeah, all these Arkada quests. They're actually designed to sort of build up your reputation scores everywhere, like such as on Surf Layer. There's one called Ruby Score as well. All this helps for your future airdrops. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Also, oh yeah, there's Abstract as well. So Abstract don't it's not actually on the guild site, but they have their own portal, which is pretty much a guild. Yeah, so on Abstract the Abstract is made by the Pudgy Penguins people. The people that do the cute penguins. And I've been building up my rewards through this website as well. So yeah, saying I'm currently a silver tier, and they're planning on doing an airdrop sometime this year as well. So you could ask, why should I actually trust all these? Well, why do I trust them? Well, first of all, I know that Soneium, is backed by Sony Corporation. I think the likeliness of Sony Corporation rug pulling someone who, it's unlikely. So yeah, that's a trusted company in my opinion. They're not going to do that. Base owned by Coinbase. Yeah, so Yeah, it's another good trust signal for me. So yeah, any network that's backed by a major organization, yeah, it's definitely one to take notice of. Also, I do actually trust any project that Arkada um, puts on there as a request, because they do thoroughly check these projects over, or these, and for security concerns and stuff like that. So you know that if you do any request via Arkada, then you're pretty safe. It was only when I actually started using Arkada I started to explore the Web3 system properly, rather than just going to, just to sort of, playing it too safe and sticking with things unknown. Yeah, if you have any questions, please write them down in the comments below. And yeah, I will include all these links in the video description. So yeah, hopefully that helps you start your airdrop journey. Okay, all right, see ya.
Subscribe for more virtual fun art Web3 guides.